miles south of Cape Girardeau, Missouri, on Interstate 55 at exit 80, you can find acres and acres of produce. Begg's Berry World is a family-owned farm and market in Benton, Missouri. Here, visitors can find homemade ice cream, a bakery, and fresh-grown produce, all in one stop. They also host a strawberry festival each year, and today we are visiting the festival to pick strawberries for the very first time with our very own little Miss Katelyn.
Are you ready to go to Strawberry Fest? Are you ready? All right, let's go.
The Begg's family started growing strawberries in 1993, and they quickly became a customer favorite. The addition of the Strawberry Festival has since become an annual event. This year, the Lazy L Safari Petting Zoo was at the festival. With all the cute animals to see, we bought some food and took Katelyn over for a look. With camels, cows, llamas, sheep, and pigs, we thought for sure she would like one of them, but no, she hated them all.
You little buddy.
All right. Yum, 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 yum. Want to do it again?
After an unsuccessful visit with the animals, we saw something Katelyn did like, strawberry cotton candy. And of course, then she had to have some strawberry ice cream. After our ice cream break, we toured several tents of local merchants displaying their wares. We saw a very cute pony and a bouncy house. We then took the Strawberry Express out to the strawberry patch. Where we learned that Katelyn is much better at dumping out strawberries than collecting them in her bucket. After Katelyn's brush with manual labor in the hot sun, she felt that she was due for a quick strawberry snack as we paid for our berries. We were glad that we went early because when we left, the line to get in was very long.
We're making ice cream. It's a flag cake.
Okay.
So for the dessert, we're making ice cream with cake with a flag. One pan with a lid. Here's the house milk.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the
Now look, watch. I'll show you where to pour it to. So look on here. See that? There's one, there's two, and there's a half. So can you fill it like right to right there?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
You'll help me.
I will. Tell me when.
Done.
I don't think that's 2.5. Let's put a little more. Perfect. Perfect. You need
Hockadoo.
hockadoo. How much hockadoo do we need?
2.
2 hockadoos. One of these, and don't move it. Leave it right there. Wait. No, wait.
Listen to instructions.
And you need 3 of these. 1, you count them.
1, 2,
Tell them.
Cornstarch.
There you go. Put that in there. Perfect. You got it in there? Okay.
This is my.
Oh,
Can I
because
smell
we
it?
actually, yeah, this is cream cheese.
Can I smell it?
Mm-hmm.
It's very cheesy, right?
It's very cheesy, yes.
Can I smell?
Here, smell. What's it smell like?
It smells like cockadoo.
Like cockadoo? Okay, take it, put it in there. You take it, what's it taste like?
Yum.
Oh, it tastes good? All right.
So yummy.
All right, Hockadoo, there you go.
I'm good.
Now what is it? What'd you put in there? Salt. How much?
2.
2, okay. Here's your sugar, 1 of those. Ooh. Okay,
Have some sugar.
there.
It's looking eating.
Lainey.
Yes, Mama.
Eating sugar.
Yes, Mama.
Telling lies.
Yes, Mama.
Open your mouth.
Smell of it.
Yuck.
That's vanilla, it smells delicious. It's a vanilla bean. So what you're gonna do though, in a minute, just cut your vanilla bean like so. Okay. Child. So where's our milk? Here. Now watch. Gigi likes to take the milk and take the little spoon and get that vanilla bean off of her spoon into that milk. So here, look. Pour the milk in.
Like that.
Here, pour it like that. See this thing? Here. I thought you were pouring the milk in. Milk's in. Milk's in. 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Can you pour this in for me? To
Whipped
right
cream.
there. Okay?
Yes, I am by myself.
You are doing it by yourself. Okay, that's good.
No,
Right
I
there.
need-
Nope, that's it, baby. Listen to the recipe.
Monkey.
It's
All right.
not up to-
And then this recipe, oddly enough, calls for corn,
It said right here.
syrup in it. So this is like liquid sugar that we're gonna
A
add.
liquid syrup.
You think you would like liquid
Don't
sugar?
put your fingers in there,
Don't
Lainey.
put your finger in there. Don't put your finger in there.
No need. No.
Pour this into that. Taste of it. I promise you will like it.
Okay, you're going to be a sticky mess, though, Lainey.
There we go. Do you like corn syrup? It's your new favorite? I knew it would be. You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
Don't put your finger in there. Let's read it, make sure we've got everything in there. Okay. So, you tell me check if we've got it. Did we put in 2.5 cups of milk? Did we put in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch?
No.
Yes. Did we put in the cream cheese? That's amazing. It's a fireworks show in your mouth, isn't it?
When Amber was about this one's age, we did fireworks, which meant sparklers and poppers in our driveway in Lake Charles, Louisiana. And for some weird reason, Amber didn't know enough not to pick up the hot end of the sparkler instead of the not hot end of the sparkler, so she picked it up and burned her hand. That's the backstory. That's the real story. Hi.
I hope we can hear
Here,
this
go
real
give
story with
that to your mom.
family.
Let her light it for you. You pull the string, I'll hold the thing. Full hard. No? Oh, there it went. How about that? High noon. It's gluten-free for kale men like me. Let me say it again. I got a better line. See, today we're drinking a 2022 High Noon seltzer water, 4.5% ABV, and the very best thing, this is pineapple made with real, not fake juice, real juice. And the very best thing about this, there's 2 good things. One, It's gluten-free, and it pairs very well with my kale. Cheers.
Lainey, are you eating the flag cake? Is it good?
2 thumbs up.
She's so busy eating she can't stop to talk to us.
You like the stars? You like the stars on the cake that are made out of blueberries?
Or the stripes that are made out of strawberries. Which one you like better?
All of them.
All of them. Good choice.
And then
Black
throw,
and white.